This video will demonstrate how to install the EndNote toolbar in Microsoft Word on your own laptop or PC for off-campus use. This allows you to use the Cite While You Write function to automatically create in-text citations and build up your reference list. Once you have logged into your EndNote Online account, click on the Downloads tab. You may wish to read the installation instructions and the information about system requirements. Then, simply choose the appropriate plugin for your system and click to start the download. Before you start downloading installers, ensure that Microsoft Word is shut down. Once the download begins, you will see a series of dialog boxes. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and click Finish when the installation is complete. When you open Word, you will see that the EndNote tab appears on the Word toolbar. Click on the EndNote tab to link your document to your EndNote Online library. You will need to enter your EndNote Online email address and password. You will then see the EndNote toolbar. To ensure that your Word document is linked to the online version of EndNote, click on Preferences and then Application, and check that EndNote Online is selected. You may have to enter your EndNote Online login details again, then click OK. If you require further help with using EndNote, you can email library@mmu.ac.uk. You can access the EndNote guide from the library homepage, where you'll find further information and videos on using the software effectively.